If you're looking for one of the easiest and most fun ways to make money online, then this video is for you. Welcome to the channel. My name is Munir. I am the founder of Halal Online Income, an online education platform teaching young Muslims how to earn a halal income from home without any experience needed. If you want to watch a completely free training teaching you how you can earn £1,000 to £10,000 a month, then head over to halalonlineincome.com for the free training. As always, make sure you leave a comment down below for a chance to win £50. The winner will be chosen on Instagram in the next week. Now, what is the easiest and most fun way for you to make money from home in 2022? Now, the business model is very simple. Essentially, what this business model is, Instagram theme pages. So what you essentially do is you grow an Instagram theme page, and as you get more followers, as your engagement increases, businesses or influencers or YouTubers, whoever, will pay you to promote them, or to post the video for them, or it could be to post an ad for them. For example, I promote my products through Instagram theme pages. So I would pay, for example, a theme page to promote my products. Now, I know that this business model works simply because I've been doing it for years. I'm actually the founder of Haram Banter. For those of you who don't know, Haram Banter is basically an Asian meme page. I actually started Haram Banter many years ago, back when I was pretty much one of the very few Asian meme pages that existed. And you might be thinking, nowadays in 2022 there's about hundreds of meme pages, right? But back when I started, there was only a few of us. And what that meant is I was in a niche market because I was an Asian guy doing Asian comedy, posting Asian related memes on Instagram in a time when no one else was doing it. So I managed to get the original Haram Banter up to 380,000 followers until Instagram deleted it for no reason whatsoever, but we're not going to get into that. Now, yes, I am still running many Haram Banter meme pages, which is, funnily enough, yes, I'm the founder of Halal Online Income, and I'm also the founder of Haram Banter, but you know, times change. Anyway, my point is, I know that this works because I've been doing it for many years. Now, back in 2018, Haram Banter was getting about 11 million views every single week consecutively. So what that meant is, when I posted it on my story that Haram Banter has got 11 million views in the last week, and the week before that, and the week before that, businesses would then come to me and say, wow, I could pay you £50 and get 11 million people looking at my content or looking at my promotion or my advertise. So they would then DM me and they would say, Adam, how much do you charge for promotions? And I charged maybe 50, 100, 200 pounds per promotion. If I was doing one promotion a day for, let's say, £100 a promotion, I am making £3,000 every single month just from posting on a meme page. So now do you understand why I was saying this is the easiest and most fun way to make money online? Anyways, to get started, all you need to do is create an Instagram page based around a theme or a certain niche. Please do not do Asian comedy because there are millions and millions of banter pages and meme pages nowadays who are doing Asian comedy, and it is very hard to get into that market and actually grow in that market, except if you can find a way to be unique. What people do most of the time now is just copy other people's content, so every single meme page is just recycling the same content. So if you can find a way to be unique in a meme page, then yes, start a meme page. If not, start something else. You can basically create a page around pretty much anything. It can be sports, it can be a certain TV show, it can be comedy, you can make a page about books, you can make a page about motivation, you can make a page, you know, business related, hair and beauty, cars, motorbikes, even trains. There's a guy that went viral on TikTok, and all he does is post videos of trains, investment related, so, you know, crypto, stocks, trading, anything like that, medical stuff, news. You can literally make a post about anything that you want. All you need to do, the biggest tip that I'm going to give you, is to be consistent. And if you're consistent, you are going to get followers. And as you get followers, your engagement will increase. When those followers and that engagement increases, businesses that are related to the page are going to message you and ask you for promotion. Now, I say this all the time to all of my students, okay? Always put yourself in the other person's point of view. Always put yourself in the customer's shoes, okay? Think, if you are scrolling TikTok, or if you're scrolling Instagram and you come across this video, firstly, would you watch the video? Secondly, would you like the video? And thirdly, would you share that video with your friends? Or that picture, or that post, or that news article, or whatever you want to post? Will the customer or the viewer or the person who's going to look at the post, would they enjoy that post? Will they like the post? And are they going to share it with their friends? Because those are the three things that you need for a page to grow on Instagram or on TikTok or whatever you're going to do. And if the answer is yes, then post it. If the answer is no, then don't post it. Now, when you're actually finding content, you can find content on TikTok, you can find content online, you can use Reddit, use Tumblr, you know, use TikTok, use Twitter, use Instagram, whatever you want to do, take content from everywhere. When you're making a theme page, you basically you basically steal other people's work, okay? However, try to ask for permission before you take someone's content. A good way to grow your page is, like I said, be consistent, but also you can do shout out for shout out with fellow pages, or you could buy a promotion from a bigger page. So pay a bigger page who is in the same kind of niche as you and pay them to promote you. And the rest is easy. The bigger your page gets, the more engagement and followers you'll get, and the more you can charge for promo. Now, please don't start off trying to charge £500 per promotion if you've only got 100 followers. Start low, and as your followers and your engagement goes up, increase your prices. Another way to find out where you can charge is fellow pages who are of a similar size to you, what they're charging for promotion, and you can, maybe undercut them a little bit, because it's business. This is business after all. So undercut them a little bit, and if your prices are cheaper, people are going to come to you for promotion instead. Now, the best thing about this business model is you have nothing to lose. It's fun. Start a niche about something that you enjoy. For example, I love cars, I love business, I love comedy. So I would start a page around that. Your job would be to research content that you enjoy watching and post it on your meme page, and you're going to basically get paid for that. That is what the business model is. Clicking the subscribe button and the like button is completely free, so make sure you please like the video and subscribe. Everything I talked about in this video is in the Halal Guide to Financial Freedom book. There is a huge discount on at the moment. This book teaches you more than 40 ways of how you can earn income from home. Everything is explained step by step in this video, so if you do want to get this book, the link is going to be in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Peace.